Today we have a question from Daryl. Daryl asks, how can I see which parts in my project have custom markup? Excellent question, Daryl. We'll talk about that right now. So first, let's talk about what custom markup is. So in your project, you have an option for an overall project markup, which is set up in the markup section of your project. So this markup is applied to all items in your estimate at once. But you have an optional line item markup. So when we talk about custom markup, we talk about marking up a specific line item separately from the rest of the project. So just for example, I have this part for install joists 2x10 pressure treated here in my estimate. And if I open this part using this pencil over here on the right, we can see all of the different calculations that are set up in the part. So down here, we have a material, labor, and subcontractor calculator. And for any part, you can mark up just the material or just the labor or both. So if I click my material markup here in the part view, I can uncheck use project markup and mark this particular line item up separately from the rest of my project. So I only want to mark up the material for this part 30%. So I'm going to change that over to 30. And we see here where it says markup 30% in blue. So that lets us know that the material markup for this particular joist part is 30%. So I'm going to go ahead and click save. So you might notice right off the bat over on the right side, you're going to see a blue dot next to that same joist item. If we hover over that blue dot, we see the markup summary for this particular part. And we see that it's being marked up 30% for the material cost. So once again, all we need to do is check our projects page. Over on the right side, we're going to see a total column, and anywhere there's a blue dot, you'll know custom markup has been set up. Thank you so much for joining us. For answers to more questions like this, head to help.clearestimates.com.